Good morning. Thanks for your company. This Tuesday, the 21st of July. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the Aussie share market is eyeing a 0.7% lift at the open following a positive night in the US on hopes of further economic stimulus there and hopes of a COVID vaccine. And almost in a reverse of what we saw last week, the tech-heavy Nasdaq charged up the most, putting on 2.5%. The S&P 500 rose 0.8% and the Dow rose slightly. A big standout on the stock front was Amazon shares rising 7.9% after Goldman Sachs upgraded Amazon with a price target of $3,800. Now, Amazon shares closed at $3,197, so plenty more upside to come. Tech majors like Adobe followed up 5.3% and Microsoft up over 4%. Pfizer and BioNTech, their shares also rose after reporting early positive data on their joint vaccine candidate, while across the ocean, UK's Oxford University with AstraZeneca reported a strong immune response in a large early stage human vaccine trial, according to medical journal The Lancet. Now, the duo are set to move into larger trials, which will be really telling of how effective so far they have been. Also in Europe, investors also monitored EU talks about a proposed 750 billion euro recovery fund. Elsewhere, and on the commodity front, the oil price had a choppy session but ended 0.3% higher to $40.71 US a barrel on vaccine hopes. The gold price edged to another near month high of 1,818 US. Now, what else to watch today? Well, several key things. Firstly, the RBA Governor will give a speech. Later today, the RBA minutes will be released. And secondly, the government is expected to announce JobKeeper JobSeeker payments have been extended for another 6 months, but both payments will be reduced as the government has found that they could act as a disincentive to get people back into the economy as it recovers. Now, this is on top of the new $2 billion jobs package that was announced last week to help the unemployed and school leavers. So stay tuned to the Prime Minister and Treasurer's announcements. And also keep an eye on quarterly results on the company news side of things out for BHP and Oil Search today. Now, ending on three trading ideas. Well, firstly, following South32's quarterly results being handed down yesterday, UBS reiterated South32 as a buy with a 260 price target. Yesterday, it closed 2.3% lower to $2.17. Now, South32 ended FY20 up better than expected, with yearly production hitting records in Brazil alumina, Hillside alumina and Australian manganese. Secondly, the fleet leasing business Eclipx Group, ECX, had a cracking day on the ASX yesterday, up 7.3% to $1.40 after announcing the sale of one of their businesses called Right to Drive for $26.5 million. Now, that will be completed on the 17th of August this year. Now, UBS reaffirmed Eclipx ECX as a key buy with a 145 target with plenty of upside in earnings, and UBS says it's also attractively valued at 10 times forward earnings. And thirdly, Bell Potter upgraded Catapult Group, CAT, the wearable software athlete tracking business, with a 150 target. Yesterday, it closed a massive 11.4% higher at $1.42 after delivering FY20 earnings up stronger than expected, also generating free cash flows of $9 million, which was well ahead of the estimated $100,000. Now, despite COVID-19, demand has continued and the business has continued to win new customers and retain existing ones. So that's Catapult, a Bell Potter by CAT. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.